Ever wonder what makes someone ladies truly stand out in a crowd? How do you create that spark that leaves your man wanting more of you? Maybe you've gone on a few dates, but things just haven't quite clicked. Well, you found the right video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of attraction and connection. We'll be exploring 7 key qualities that will not only catch his eye, but keep him wanting more. By the end of this video, you'll have 7 key strategies to unlock a happy and fulfilling relationship. So, grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started on building that connection that will leave him totally smitten. Let's get started. 1. Be yourself. This might sound simple, but it's the foundation for any strong relationship. Guys are drawn to genuine personalities, not someone playing a part. When you embrace your quirks, passions, and interests, whether it's mastering the art of latte foam designs or spending weekends volunteering at the animal shelter, you attract people who connect with the real you. Trying to be someone else is exhausting and unnecessary. Trust me, the right guy will find your unique sense of humor, your love for historical reenactments, or your passion for astrophysics, yes, even astrophysics, completely captivating. 2. Be confident. Confidence is that undeniable glow that comes from knowing your worth. Don't confuse it with arrogance, though. Confidence is about believing in yourself and your strengths. It shows you know what you bring to the table in a relationship, whether it's your killer dance moves, your sharp wit, or your unwavering loyalty. When you radiate self-assurance, it's magnetic. It shows you can hold your own and face challenges, which can be incredibly attractive to a partner. Here's the trick. Confidence isn't something you just have. It's something you can build. Start by identifying your strengths and accomplishments, big or small. Celebrate your victories, no matter how ordinary they seem. Fake it till you make it. Sometimes that works too. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Even if you don't feel 100% confident initially, projecting confidence can actually boost your inner belief over time. 3. Respect yourself. Self-respect is a deal breaker. If you don't value yourself, how can you expect someone else to? Respecting yourself means knowing your worth and setting boundaries. This might look like saying no to a second date if you didn't feel a connection, or communicating your needs in a relationship. Someone who prioritizes their well-being and isn't afraid to say no is incredibly attractive. It shows you're a strong, independent person who won't be taken advantage of. 4. Make your standards known. We've all heard this before, but it's worth repeating. Don't compromise your standards for anyone. If you're not comfortable with something, communicate that clearly. Don't be afraid to express your needs and desires in a relationship. A guy who truly respects you will appreciate your honesty and self-worth. It shows you know what you deserve and won't settle for anything less than someone who makes you feel happy and valued. 5. Be kind. Kindness is a rare gem these days, and it's incredibly attractive. Being kind to everyone you meet, from the barista making your coffee to the stranger on the street, shows a genuine warmth and compassion that goes a long way. When you show kindness to him and others, it speaks volumes about your character. It shows you have a big heart and care about the world around you, which are qualities many find desirable in a partner. 6. Be demanding. There's a difference between being demanding and taking charge in a healthy way. A guy will appreciate a woman who can take charge and make decisions. This doesn't mean controlling every aspect of the relationship or nagging him about every little thing. It's about showing you're capable, independent, and can take initiative. Maybe you suggest a new restaurant to try or plan a fun weekend getaway. It shows you're a go-getter and can be a great partner in navigating life's adventures together. 7. Take care of yourself. Self-care is sexy. Taking care of yourself, physically and mentally, is an attractive quality. Eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough sleep shows you prioritize your well-being. It also shows you put effort into feeling good, which is a confidence booster all around. Taking care of yourself allows you to be the best version of yourself for yourself and your partner. Remember, these are just tips, and every relationship is unique. But by focusing on being your best self, respecting yourself and your partner, and fostering a healthy connection that allows you to grow together, you're well on your way to finding lasting love. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.